Hello students, now we will be discussing about ninth problem on or question number 9 on computation of TDS. Now look here, they are given calculate TDS in the following cases. First transaction, they are given amount of gross income from horse race is rupees 1,50,000. Horse race is casual income. So in case of casual income, if the amount is more than 10,000, if the amount is more than 10,000 rupees, 30% of TDS is applicable. So income from horse race, 1,50,000 is the income. Then again rate of TDS is 30%. 30% on 1,50,000 is 45,000. Now look at second transaction. They have given interest on securities rupees 28,000. So interest on securities, again I told you, if there is any interest, then it should be more than 10,000. Then the rate of TDS will be 10% on interest. So 28,000 is the interest on securities. Then 28,000 and the rate of TDS is 10%. So 10% computed on 28,000 would be 2,800. Then again third item or third transaction, they have given amount from premature withdrawal from provident fund, they have given as 85,000. So whenever there is a premature withdrawal from PF, I told you the amount should be in excess of 50,000 or more than 50,000. Here it is 85,000. So 10% TDS is applicable on the same. So write down premature withdrawal from provident fund, amount is 85,000 and the rate of TDS is 10%. TDS amount would be 8,500. Now again, next item, insurance commission 24,000. So insurance commission, the amount should be more than 15,000 and the rate of TDS will be 5% on the same. So insurance commission, the amount of insurance commission is 24,000, which is more than 15,000. So it will be subjected to TDS at the rate of 5%. So 5% on 24,000 is 1,200. Then again they have given paid to sanitary contractor Mr. Sanjeev Reddy 39,000. So if you are making any payment to contractor which is in excess of 30,000, in case of individual contractor the rate of TDS is 1%. In case if it is a company, then again the rate of TDS would be 2%. So since it is an individual contractor, they have given name Mr. Sanjeev Reddy, that means he is an individual contractor. So on this 39,000, payment to contractor of 39,000, 1% of TDS is applicable and the TDS amount would be 3,900. Then again they have given amount from sale of immovable property. So when there is any sale of immovable property, I told the sale consideration, net sale consideration should be more than 50 lakhs. Here they are given only as 30 lakhs. So in this case again TDS is not applicable. So write down as amount from sale of immovable property 30 lakh rupees amount, and TDS is, since there is no TDS applicable, it will be exempted from TDS. Then again next one, amount from LIC policy. So if there is any amount from receipt from LIC policy, it should be more than 1 lakh rupees. That means the maturity amount received from LIC policy should be more than 1 lakh. Then only TDS will be applicable here, but they have given here as only 90,000. So that means on this 90,000 there will be no TDS deducted. So write down as amount from LIC policy 90,000, and since there is no TDS because it is exempted, because it is below the limit of 1 lakh rupees. Then again amount paid to lawyer 80,000. So amount paid to lawyer comes under the category of technical or professional fees. So in case of technical or professional fees, it should be more than 30,000, then only it will be subjected to TDS. Now here they are given as 80,000. So on this 80,000, 10% TDS will be deducted. Now write down amount paid to lawyer 80,000, rate of TDS applicable is 10% and TDS amount would be 8,000. So this is ninth problem solution.